The Herman Miller Mirra 2 office chair. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Herman Miller Mirra 2 office chair. This is a premium office chair that can be custom built with many features. They are covered by a 12-year warranty. You typically see these in corporate office environments, but if you are in the market for a premium chair, you can purchase these for the home as well. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The model that I purchased has all the options, with the exception of the butterfly back, since I preferred the polymer for easy cleaning. There are many color combination configuration as well. I went with all black. The seat is a suspension mesh, which is flexible and has breathability. The back is a Tri-Flex polymer back and flexes as you move. And as mentioned, you can also go with a butterfly suspension, which just adds another layer of mesh. The arms are padded and has a 4-way adjustable feature. The back has an adjustable lumbar support of 4.5 inch in height and 1 inch in depth adjustment, and it has a built-in posture fit that supports your spine. Adjusting the height adjustment for the arms is done by pulling the lever and locking it back into place when you have the desired height. The front of the seat has a flex front option, which allows you to adjust the lip. This puts support on your thighs and not pressure on the back of your knees. On the right side, you have the lever to adjust the seat height up and down. You also have the knob to adjust the tilt tension for when you're leaning back. The left side, you have the lever for the tilt. It has 3 settings and you can recline to 92, 100, or 124 degrees. The other lever is for the forward tilt. If you like to sit leaning forward, it has a 5-degree tilt. There are a few options for the casters. I went with a 2.5 inch hardwood floor and carpet with quiet roll. So let's demonstrate the features. You can see the various arm adjustments and pads. You can pull them in and raise them. Now tilting back with the 3 various angles. And tilt forward if you want to lean when you're typing or working. And now raising and lowering the height adjustment for the seat. The back lumbar support, you can raise it up and down and then lock it into place. The Herman Miller Mirra 2 office chair. After using it for a few weeks, I definitely feel a difference. I spent a lot of money on chairs in the past, and I sit in front of the computer for long periods of time, and I've experienced back issues. I decided to invest in something that I can use on a daily basis to prevent future health issues. This chair is on the higher end spectrum. If you decide to purchase one, don't go cheap on the options. You are in that price range, so you might as well enjoy all the features. Before I bought the chair, I actually went to a nearby showroom that carried the chairs. So I highly recommend you visit the showrooms to try the chairs out and see if it will work for you. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.